Hey guys, I'm showing you this Fritton Pickleball paddles. It's a set of two lightweight carbon fiber pickleball paddle with enhanced honeycomb core. So this have a anti-slip cushion grip and extra tapes for this. So it comes in a really nice carry bag. As you can see, these are the extra grip tape that I will show you a little later on. And this is a nice bag, can hold your towel, your balls, your paddles, and it's a waterproof inside. So it's a really nice carry bag and very helpful to have these sets in it. So as you can see it here, this have this waterproof thing inside, and these are the pedals. So this is a honeycomb design, and you can see a grip. You can remove this protective polythene, and then from the grip as well, or if you are comfortable, you can use it as like this, or you can also use, so this with the grip is really nice. These are the extra grip tape that you can use on your pedal, so you can just use it on the handle. So let's just go in the outdoor and then see how this work, or this play is comfortable. It's very lightweight, I can say that. Kids are easily able to handle and play with the ball. So with the ball and the cushioning and the bouncing is really nice, and this can be used by any beginner or the advanced players. So both of these are really lightweight, you can handle with the hands, and is easy to work with or the play with. And so grip is also nice, and the handles and is comfortable. So nice play.